Bonjour, Clara French in the Midlands here. I have excellent news for you. The vaccine pass is being suspended in France as from March the 14th. Bear in mind, I did say suspended. I didn't say it's ending because obviously they might reapply it at a later date. So what is changing on the 14th of March exactly? Well, France is suspending the vaccine pass in time for the presidential elections, but apparently that's pure coincidence. What it means for you is that you won't need to worry about having your booster jab 4 months after your second dose to be able to enjoy yourself. However, the 9-month booster rule is still in place for travelling purposes. The only difference is you have 9 months after your second dose to get your booster so you can travel as fully vaccinated. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt!